Hello, good morning. Good morning, students. With the help of this video, I will provide a basic introduction of the science books, which is going to be studied by you in the class 10. So, what I am providing to you will give you the whole description of the book, so that your book will be covered with less time. I'm explain the whole chapters, every chapters of your book, so that you have at least the ideas before reading you the book. This book, the science class 10th book, contains total 15 16 sorry 16 sorry 16 chapters. These chapters will be studied by you, so that you can score good marks in the board exams, and with the help of that marks you get admission in 11th 12th in the best school. Then we start the video. First chapter is chemical reaction and equation. In these chapters, you will I will show you the chapters. Open the chapter. Okay. This is it contains. Let me. You can see chemical reactions and equations. In these chapters only you will study the type of equation and how to balance it, and the various example of this. I will zoom it, so that better studied you all. You can see that it contains only the equations, and the equations must be balanced. Okay. Then the type of chemical reactions will be read by the type of reactions. Combination reaction, two or more, what is product, what is reactant, will be studied by you. And then decomposition reaction, फिर displacement reaction. One reactant displaces the one part of the reactant. Then oxidation reaction. In this oxidation reaction only you have to study that once the element get oxygen element, then it is oxidation, and once it reduces the oxygen atom, it is reduction. So, and in case of hydrogen, if it goes opposite to the oxygen, once it get hydrogen atom, then it is a reduction, not an oxygen. In case of oxygen, once it gets oxygen, it is oxidation, and it reduces the oxygen atom, it is reduction. But in case of hydrogen atom, once it loses the hydrogen, it gains it is a oxidation reaction. So then this chapter is over. So we begin back to this chapter. Then is acid base salt. In this chapter you study the acid. What is acid? HCl, H2SO4, and sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, H2SO3, then acetic acid, HCO3. One thing you find common in the acid, that there is a hydrogen atom. I am opening this chapter. In the chapter you find acid and salt. I once open this. I am using this draw on the screen. It is opening, and I am using it. Then start. Okay. I am going to this. Then take this. In this chapter you will study uh, acid base salt acid, how the acid and base react to form salt. Then how acid and base react with metals, the reaction with metals. What are the metals? Uh, metals are metals are metals metals are metals are silver, copper, iron, aluminum. These all are metals. Non-metals are maybe that contain all those substances which do not conduct electricity, heat, are so they are called the metals which conduct electricity and heat is called metals, and the materials which do not conduct heat and electricity are called non-metals. So here you can see how acid and base react with metals. So metals, in this chapter we will look at the how the metals react with acid and base. Through the activity it is made you understand. Similarly, what do acid and all bases have in common? Then what acid and base common? What else? Then how you can decide how the acid and base are strong? So there a pH scale. If you find less than 7, it is acidic. Then more than 7, it is basic. So so if pH scale is 1 to 3, it is a strong acidic, and if it is 13, 12, 14, it is the strong base. If there is a litmus paper, if it come in contact with acid, the blue litmus paper turns into red, and if it is a base, then the red litmus paper turns blue. So all this about will be studied by you. pH, then pH in our digestive systems, pH cause to देखें. So this is video is going to be long, so I am trying to give you the basic idea, so that you can once you take some times 12 to 13 minutes and you go through the videos. Subscribe my channels, like it, comment in, so that I will be helpful to you. Then carbons. What are the carbon element is C, and in this carbon burns in the presence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. This is a basic equations. And see, I am going to show you. This is a metal chapter. In this math chapter, what is given, it is in this chapter we study metals and non-metals. What are the properties of metal? What are the properties means what are the properties of non-metals? Properties means metals can conduct heat and electricity both. Non-metal, it is not non-metals. Again, non-metals. Sonorous means it can produce, metal can produce the melodious sound. Chemical properties of metals क्या होते हैं, all this we have to study. Then there is carbon. It is taking time, so once it opens, carbon open chapters. Carbon, it shows nothing. Okay, Periodic classification, it will tell in this chapter you will study periodic classifications: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. There is a period, different types of period, how the history of the period, modern periodic tables we have seen. Lab processes, what are the lab processes? Lab processes, what are the lab processes? Lab processes, nutritions, various processes you will studies. Hereditary control and coordination, this is in this chapter you will control and coordination. In this chapter you will nervous systems, how the nervous system, neurons, then reflex action. The diagram is very important in class 10, so if you may ask to draw the diagram showing the reflex action. Then hormones in animals, then various internal organs, all these were studies are studied by you. The human eye, in this you study light and reflection, light reflection and refraction. In this you will study reflection and refraction. Reflection is when the light go through a single medium, but in reflection there is a medium which the path changes its deviate, means refract its path. The human eye, the main part, human eye main part, with the help of the eye we can see through the world, electricity, charge, what a charge I am saying, charge, electricity, what it contains, electricity, electric current. In this chapter you will study parallel connection and see parallel connection. This diagram is also important. This is the diagram is very important in this. And this diagram is very important. So Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? In electricity, what are the factors? Resistance is equal to rho L by A, resistivity. Resistance is directly proportional to L and directly proportional to area of cross section. All these will be studied in this solving the equations. Ohm's law is very common, is V is equal to IR. V is voltage, I is arc, R is resistance. So electric magnetic effect of electric, and what in this chapter shows that when a current is goes through when a current is goes through the conductor, it produces magnetic field. And the example you will see in your daily life is motor. Magnetic effects of current, electromagnets. Sources, what are the sources of energy? You will see various sources. Sun is the ultimate source of energy, and the tidal energy, hydro energy. You can really watch. You can sources of energy. You can see hydrothermal power station. They are the how the energy is produced through windmills. There is a windmill. Have you seen the fan blades rotating? This rotator is used to rotate the shaft of the dynamometer. What is the function of dynamometer? If the shaft of the dynamometer is rotated with angular speed, then electricity is produced. The same is used in a windmill. I will show you the chapter. Sources of energy, cooker. Okay, I am using the open the chapter Adobe. So wind energy, I have told you wind energy. Biomass, the diagram is very important. This diagram is, keep in mind, This diagram is very important. Schematic diagram of this diagram. This diagram is very important, so prepare it well. It may ask very important. ठीक है. So windmill, also windmill. This is the our environment. You will abiotic and abiotic components. How natural in management of natural resources. In this you will study the how to manage the natural resources. Means sustainable management. We use in what is needed, and we will save it for future generation also. So all this about in this science book of NCERT. Go through these videos and try to learn to get the things in a less time, so that you can gain most of the concept in a less time. Okay, thank you.